Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So I decided to work on these parakeets in the nice forest little birdhouse, and I used my new washi tape. It's a good washi tape, and there's still a lot on there, but this is only a 30 by 30. So see how easy this comes up. I thought the stick was good. Look how that's just moving. I'm hardly putting any pressure on there at all. I'm just basically dragging this through. No way. I'm not doing it. What's that say? Can you read it? Yeah, so this came in a promo. And it's a shame. I really like it. It's all prepped up. But no. No. I'm not wasting my time. I can't waste my time. Not gonna happen. So all these colors, I really don't have to dump them all out. But then again, I do. Or else I'll end up saving the canvas. No. Actually, I'm going to transfer the washi off of here onto another one because I think I can. I know there's another canvas like this. It came from a different company. This one was from Outdoor Tide. Shh. Don't tell them I told you. But I'm going to tell you. I'm not going to make a big fuss about it because it was at no cost to me. I should have saved that. Don't do this. Save them. No. No. Okay. When it comes time to work on the other one, I think I will do the same thing. You know? But I love the birds. I even bought another one from a different company. Maybe I should work on him. He's not flat. He's not flat yet. Okay, well, I just wanted to let you know because if I'm showing you this stuff and suggesting you go to a particular company to buy it and then it's no good, I feel obligated to my subscribers, my adorables, to tell you there's a problem there. That is what it is. I will let them know. I'm pretty sure I got a pen from them. It might be a different company, but I think that they volunteered to resend the pen that broke in shipping. And I didn't, I just told them about it. I didn't ask them to replace it. And yeah, they just said they were going to include that in the next promo. So, but when you return things, you need the original packaging from the companies. You have to do it within maybe a 2-week period, something like that. So you got to get in contact with them. Sometimes these companies are difficult to get in touch with, even with email. Like there was a company, Paint Some Way, that I bought canvases from. I bought them. So here's half of my order, like $40 worth of canvases, and they were all like it makes me wonder. It makes me ask questions about reality. Honest to God. Honest, I've never seen anything like that. What? Anyway, yeah, yeah. I expect it. I like from Temu. If I get a canvas and there's something wrong with it, it's pretty much instant that it's resolved. You know, and I don't think too much about it. You know, they just come and most of them are absolutely fine. And there's nothing to complain about in the first place. Or that I've had it so long that it's really too late to do anything about. But I built it anyway. Like the Sphinx cat, you know, I wanted that. I wanted to work on it. I got my money's worth by working on that. I can't work on this. If the glue's no good, it doesn't matter how beautiful that image is, you know? So I am disappointed because that's what I was sitting down to do. It's all prepped up and everything. Okay. That's all I wanted to say. I'm not going to hashtag them or anything like that. I don't know what to do except next time I am in the email dealing with this company, and it will be soon, I will enclose that piece of information to them. Okay. I hope all my adorables are having a good night. Peace out, and God bless.